Away in a manger, no crib for a bed, the little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head. The stars in the bright sky looked down where he lay, the little Lord Jesus asleep in the hay. This is your Happy Christmas message from Ian Sturrock and Sons, suppliers of Welsh Heritage fruit trees. We all know that you need 5 fruit a day to stay young and healthy. So buy your 5 Welsh Heritage fruit trees from Ian Sturrock and Sons. Don't be a cheapskate. Don't die of cancer. Buy your 5 trees from us and have a healthy, happy 2012.